So I partnered with Ruby Love to talk about first periods and period kits. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn and welcome back to another Jordyn video. So I recently did a Q&A on my Instagram and I got so many questions about periods and if I had any period tips. There's a lot of questions about first periods, period kits, and how to deal with them, and there was just like a lot of questions about periods. So I didn't really answer them there because I wanted to do like a whole sit down video and answer all the questions for you guys. There are so many questions and I just felt like it was really important and a subject that I should sit down and talk to you guys about. So at this age, a lot of us are getting our periods and a lot of us are like confused about it and not sure what to do because, like I said before in the past, we don't really have a lot of period education in middle school where it happens for most girls. And we're just left to fend for ourselves and we have all these questions like what happens if it happens at school? What if we have an accident at school? What is it? Like, we don't know anything. So that's why I'm really excited to share with you guys the Ruby Love First Period Kit. It has a bunch of stuff for your first period and it also has a lot of information that comes with it. And the box is super cute, like the little bow and the colors and the polka dots. I think it's so cute. So let's open this up and I'll show you guys what's inside so we can build our first period kit together. So when you first open the Ruby Love First Period Kit, you get two informational booklets. So this one is really cool because you actually get a $5 coupon off. Woohoo! And then inside it's informational and it says how to use and how it works. And this one is super cool because it is a first period kit, Q&A, and period hack guide. And I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes it gets pretty embarrassing to ask your parents stuff. And it's really important and cool that we have this inside the kit because we can just see what can help us without, trying to fight through the embarrassment. Inside it has the facts, frequently asked questions. It's just the frequently asked questions and the period hacks and what can help if you have cramps, if you're tired, if you're having cravings. And then we have this super cute sleep mask that says Ruby and a little heart, and then it says have the time of your month, and I think that is super cute and it's the color red. And then we have our period bag where we can put all of the period things inside and throw it in our backpack, our purse, our mini bag, so we can always have our period kit with us. So I don't know about you, but having a period bag could definitely help for me if I have to go to the bathroom, I don't want to take out this pad and everybody's asking, oh, what's that? And just be stress free and just take it and have everything with you so you don't have to just grab a bunch of things and then go. I remember this one time that I was in class and some girl had to go to the bathroom and she was stumbling through all her stuff and she had picked multiple things out and she dropped them and she dropped her pad on the floor without noticing and she walked out and boys were like, oh, look at that, haha, and they were picking it up and stuff and it was really embarrassing and she had to come back and grab it out of somebody's hand. And I just felt so bad because even though it's not something to be ashamed of, you don't want people all up in your business. So period bag is so helpful. Inside the Ruby Love First Period Kit, first off, it's super cute and super aesthetic. The first thing I really want to highlight are these Ruby Love leak-proof underwear. And these are super cute. These period underwear are really cool because they actually have a built-in 5-layer gusset, so you don't have any leaks, any stains, any worries, and they are reusable and you can keep reusing them, just wash them. And super protective because sometimes if you don't change your pad enough, you can have accidents and they can leak. And they're also super cute, look at the hearts. I remember at lunch one time there was this girl, I don't know if she had on a pad or didn't have on a pad, and she was wearing really light jeans and she got up and there was a period mark and all the boys were making fun of her, even some of the girls. It was not a good time. And it was just like super embarrassing. I felt really bad for her because you know how people can be. Accidents can happen, so be prepared. That's why I always do my period kit videos and my like period videos, because I just want to be prepared. First thing we're actually going to put in our kit are these pads, and these pads are so cute. They're like super cute packaging. I really like them. I always want to have some extra pads with you and in here, because just in case another girl needs one, and for you. We have hygiene wipes, and these are super good just to wipe it, make sure you keep it clean. We also have chapstick and hand sanitizer. Hygiene wipes and hand sanitizer are super important because you want to keep it clean. You want to, you know, make sure your hands are clean. You want to make sure down there is clean. So it's very important. So in they go. So the next thing I'm going to put in here is some tissue, and you guys are probably like, tissue? You're not sick. I'm like, well, you know how some school bathrooms don't have toilet paper. So this could work just for a quick swipe, because it sometimes can be embarrassing if there's someone in the next stall, because sometimes they might even not be. To be like, hey, can I get some under the door, some toilet paper please? It's like really weird, and sometimes they can have poo-poo fingers. Ew. I just think that it's super important to like bring all your own like sanitizing things and like all your hygiene things from home. You never know what bathroom you're walking into. It could be super dirty, and if you're asking somebody for something, you don't know how dirty they can be if they even try to be hygienic. Like, it's just better to be safe than sorry, basically. Last thing we're going to put into our period kit are these hair ties, and this is for like if you have long hair and you don't want to be making it like sit on the toilet, so you can just tie it up real quick so it's not in your way at all. So that's gonna build my Ruby Love First period kit, and I can throw it in my backpack, I can throw it in my basketball bag, throw it in my mini bag, I can throw it in my purse. I don't have a purse, but you know what I mean. It's gonna have everything I need, and it's gonna make me feel confident and stress-free if I get my period at school or somewhere public. The rest of the stuff in the period kit is super cute and super helpful. It's kind of like at home self-care things, because your period doesn't stop at school. We have this little booklet, and it just tells us information about the period, a guide for navigating that time of the month, and it's called Ruby Love Gets Her Period. And I think this is really cool because, like I said, we need more period education, and all of these booklets definitely help with that. We have a stress ball, which I think is really cute, and then we have cozy socks. Cozy socks for the feet, and they're long. We have a heating pad and a cold pad. You can heat it up and place it on your belly, or you can make it cold, whatever is best for you. We also have tea, and tea is really good if you're stressed out and just wanna. Does your period be stressing you out? I know it do, so just take a little with the pinky out. Cute pin. This is super cute. Small little loofah. We have conditioner, we have shampoo, we have bath gel, and we have some body lotion, you know, for a little self-care day when you're not really feeling your best. And we have a cute mirror. Look how cute it is. We have a face mask, a super cute hair clip called Love. We have a bracelet. Also have a pop socket and tattoo stickers. So the Ruby Love First period kit is super cool because you have, you know, like your period things to put in your bag to go, and then you also have stuff like self-care things. It's really important because periods emotionally drain you, physically drain you, and just make you feel blah. So like this could really help you just like lighten your day, pep yourself up, and to give yourself a little extra love during your period. That is it for my Ruby Love First period kit. I really did love it, and it's going to be so helpful for school and public places, and the box also has some self-care things for at home, and it's just amazing. And also let me know if you guys have any more questions, if you want me to do a period hack video or any more period related videos. But before we go, I just want to let you guys know that I highly recommend these period underwear because they can eliminate so many embarrassing situations and just make you feel more comfortable, let you know that you won't have any leaks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time.